is based on the concept of floating city. The concept of our project is that right now if you see that the rate of land are constantly increasing, and after 25 years the cost would be such that it won't be sustainable to build anything on land. So there is only one option available for us. If we can devise any technology or construction method by which we can construct on the 3/4 surface, that's water, and we can keep it sustainable, then that would be a very best option for us in future, because we can easily reduce the land crisis and accommodate the rising population. And for that concept, we have done a research on it, and we have raised some particular materials which are sustainable to build a floating platform, and the materials are like
there are advanced materials, as he told earlier. There are the advanced materials like UHPC, which is ultra high performance concrete, EPS, which is expandable polystyrene, and third one is synthetic foam. These three materials we have sorted out because they have very low density. Low density means the material will there will be very less amount of material will be needed, so less cost. Plus, these materials can easily float, and the main problem between the sea is the diluted salt. So these materials are also inert with the diluted salt. So these materials are very effective for constructing the floating city. Plus, for maintaining the center of gravity and reducing the impact of the waves, we have also developed and researched the technology called mooring. Mooring is kind of the method used in anchoring of the boats, in which high tensile wires are used, which is connected from the bottom of the floating city to the bottom of the sea. It will grip the floating city at its position and also reduce the impact of the waves, so that stability to the human beings can be maintained.
We can also construct breakwaters for it, so the intensity of the waves would be reduced by the breakwaters, and the breakwaters would be also tied by mooring to the seabed, so the breakwaters would be stable.
And we have researched and we have done some calculation, and we came to know that if you do mooring at the angle of the 45, then horizontal and vertical, all the types of loads can easily be maintained, so that it is placed at the 45 degree, and the whole floating city can be balanced easily.
And right now, if you see that the future scope of our project is right now, this project won't be feasible, but after 25 years, this project will be the best alternative, because if you see at that time, the population would be such that it won't be possible to accommodate all of them on the present land available. So this project, if it's successful, would easily solve the project of population crisis also, and it would also provide a better living standard for people, because at that time global warming would be a bigger issue. And this concept in this city would be based on the sea, so we can easily take full use of renewable resources like sea waves. We can also use sunlight, we can use wind energy, and it also would help the global warming to reduce the global gases.
And we are also planning for town planning also. So we are also planning for airport, ports and everything. So you are going to get everything that you are getting on the land, on our floating city. Plus you can also get your aesthetic lifestyle that you are not going to have on the land due to pollution and everything.